2, 3.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Life with Ifwa, and you are not on my channel by mistake, okay? So on my channel I make skincare videos, beauty and lifestyle videos, vlogs, food, everything, okay? My channel is a lifestyle video, so everyone can get something to better his or her life. In this video, I'm going to show you a product I've just found, and I really love the product. It's so affordable and it really works, okay? So recently I was battling with which cream I should use on my body because I was so insecure, and I tried so many creams, but sometimes I get the glow I want, but it's either it lightens me or it darkens me. Then recently a friend told me about a very popular cream in every shop. It's found in every shop, so I decided to give it a try, and girl, I did not make a mistake by trying it, okay? So I'm not going to keep it a secret. You know, on my channel we don't share and we don't keep secrets, we share secrets. So I'm going to talk about the cream I'm using now. You can look at my skin, is glowing like. So this is the cream I'm coming to talk about. This is Nivea Q-10, okay? It's a body cream, and it's so I don't even know the words to use for this cream. It's so good. It moisturizes the skin, and actually it comes in two forms. It has the white color and the blue color. The white one is the body lotion and the blue color is the body milk. I'm using the body milk because the blue one is for dry skin. If you have dry skin, the blue one is for you. You know, people have the mentality of the blue creams are for dark skin and white ones. No. This particular blue one is for dry skin, okay? When you see the cream, check the last word under here. This is in German, so you might not understand it. It says Trockenhaut. It means dry skin, and the white one they write here normal skin, which is for everybody, okay? But for me, since I have dry skin, I decided to try this, and oh, it's the best decision I ever took. And let me show you the consistency of the cream. It's not so thick. It's not so thick. Let me put it here. It's not so thick. When you apply it, it dries quickly. So the first day I tried this cream, it dried. I have very dry skin, so when it dried, I was like, no, I have to use some oil or something for this cream. Then again, after some few seconds, after my body was completely dried, I realized I got this kind of moisture in my skin. You can see it. I got some kind of moisture in my skin, like my skin was so smooth, and I realized I didn't need any oil, because if I put any oil inside, I'm not going to know if the oil is the one working or if the cream is working. So since I did not add any oil, I realized the cream is so moisturizing. The blue one, it's so moisturizing. It doesn't give dark knuckles, it doesn't give green veins, it makes your skin youthful. And since it doesn't contain any bleaching agent, I'm even sure it can clear stretch marks and every all the skin issues, because it's very good. And we all know the importance of Q10, okay? Q10 is very good in the elasticity of the skin. And this one, in 10 days, it says here in 10 days, like also here, it's going to give you a uniform skin. Oh, I'm not going to talk so much, okay? Just go and buy it. It's so affordable. I don't remember the price, but I think like 10 euro or under 10 euro. Okay, so this is for the body. Don't apply it on your face. It's not a face cream. Don't come and say it broke me out. If it breaks you out, it's a body lotion, not a face lotion. Okay, so go and buy it. Look at how I'm glowing. Look at how I'm glowing. Like, I'm glowing. You can check my old videos and see my dark knuckles and all this, but now look at me. Like, I'm loving my skin. I'm loving my skin. In the next video, I'm going to share you another secret, how I'm glowing like this. So if you have watched me till now, subscribe, like, share, and be a family. I'm going to give you another secret. You can see in this corner, I have so many stuff there. So, oh, the battery is dying. Yeah, so go and get one and thank me later. Okay, thanks for staying with me. I love you. Bye. Mwah.